Hello, fashion friends. Today's Walmart haul is full of so many new arrivals, and I had to post this in 2025. It was supposed to go up at the beginning of January, but a lot of these items were getting low on sizing. So I really wanted to bring you this video now because they are some of the best items I have ever tried on for Walmart. So I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you agree. So thanks for watching, and remember to love your neighbor and be kind, and Happy New Year. This was one of my favorite sweaters that I saw on the website, and it's the Scoop Acid Wash sweater in this cute style that's just a relaxed fit, and it has this great little puff sleeve. And this is 100% cotton, y'all, so it just feels so nice, and it is very, very well made. I have a Free People sweater that looks just like this. It's more cable knit and was a little heavier weight, but cotton and acid wash, and this is very, very similar and a fraction of the price of that one. And this one also comes in this beautiful washed black that I had to get, and it comes in a beautiful blue. So grab this one. It's a perfect little sweater to wear now and in the springtime. And I just wanted to style it with a couple of my quince pieces because this is how I would wear it. And I had trouble finding a lot of bottoms on Walmart that actually are out yet. So I thought I would put it with my little stud jeans that I got from Quince that are a loose straight and a high rise. And these were just a cute addition that they added that I thought were fun. And the price point of Quince is really, really good if you've not tried it, and the quality is amazing. So this is how I would wear it because I wanted a little bit of an edgier look with the acid wash sweater. I also wanted to put on my burgundy ankle boots by Quince, which are such a comfortable boot that I just got. And I don't want to go into too many details about these other pieces, but I love wearing my pinks with burgundy, and this makes it a little bit of a more transitional outfit that you can wear now, or just change your shoes in the spring and you're good to go. I thought these two pieces were very fun and very on trend. And this is the Free Assembly zip up sweater. And these full zips and half zips have been going strong this season and will be in the spring. And I thought this navy with the white trim was very pretty, but this one also comes in red, a very bright, beautiful red. And it's a cotton blend, so it's very soft and easy to wear. And this one is a nice relaxed fit. I'm wearing my true size. And I styled it with these side stripe pull on pants. And you can see there's a tie here, which I tucked in because it was really long on me. And then it has perfect pockets and this really cool striping on the side. So these track style pants are going to be really popular. They're getting even more popular. And this one has a nice flowy wide leg. And yes, it is pretty long on me, but I'm 5'4". That happens. So if you're taller, these will be perfect. And I mean, they'd be easy to hem. So I thought these were great, and they feel really, really soft. And I did style them with just a trainer sneaker to keep with that kind of sporty look. And these are my 327 New Balance sneakers that I got that I will be wearing in the spring as well. So this is another great Free Assembly sweater, and it's the textured stitched cardigan, which you can see all the different stitching that has just given it so much detail. And I thought the green was beautiful, and I also love the buttons. They are navy with gold trim. So this has a very nice vintage feel, and it is 100% cotton again, and nice and soft and very, very well made. And this one does come in one other color, and I'd say true to size. And I have it on with this dress, which I always love a Free Assembly denim dress, and this is their denim mini dress that they just came out with, and it fits so nice at the top. I like that it has this crew neck, and then all of this seaming that is on it just makes it fit really well, and it cinches in the waist and then A-lines in the hip, and that A-line starts a little above the hip, which I thought was nice. And then it has these great little pockets with these gold buttons that look really kind of antique and cool and very high end. And I thought this was a great little dress. It just zips up the back too, and then you have a hook and eye, and just easy peasy. And you could wear it now with knee-high boots and a sweater, or you can wear it by itself in the spring and summer with your sandals or flats. And I did just put a riding boot on with this. These are my Sam Edelman Mila boots that I've loved, and I just thought it was a cute look for transitioning into the spring. So I fell in love with this one because it's pink, but it's also a half button fleece top by Time and True that's a little bit of a sweatshirt style that has a high end look because it has the high collar, which is very on trend. And then it has these buttons that are the same color as the sweatshirt, but they're trimmed out in gold. So I thought they really just played a really nice part in making this look more high end, and it is so comfy and cozy. It's fleece, so it does have that fuzzy interior, but this is something that I would wear now with jeans like I have on, or I'd put it on with shorts and sneakers as I transition into spring. And this one was selling out pretty quickly in some of the colors, and there's 4 colors in this one. And I decided to style it with my Quince just mid-rise Luna stretch flare jeans, which these are awesome. They're a 30-inch inseam, so I could wear them with sneakers, and I loved the black. So if you want a black jean that feels really good and is stretchy and nice, this is a great $50 jean to have. And then I put on my Gola sneakers, which are my favorite little black sneakers. And if you didn't get one for fall, you might want to think about it. And these, the retro styles are very, very popular, and these have been really amazing. And you might be able to find them on sale now, being the end of the season. Another sweater that I'm totally in love with is this rugby sweater that's a little bit oversized by Scoop, and it's so incredibly soft, and I think the pink and green is gorgeous. And I have to tell you, the green color in this is a mixture of 3 different colors that are sewn in here. So they have done such a great job on this, and it's a perfect fit and a perfect length. And that kind of modern prep style is going to be very big for the springtime. And the modern prep is a little bit more of an oversized polo as opposed to the fitted polo. So this is perfect. And I'm seeing these a lot of different places, but not at this price. So if you love this style, grab it, and it comes in one other color. And I just put it on with my Old Navy bootcut jeans, and it's a loose boot cut, so you can see all the way down. It's just kind of loose. It doesn't really hug anywhere. And these have been some of my favorites, and they're a really good price and a really nice fit. They feel like a vintage 100% cotton jean, and I have worn these and love them. They're really comfortable and they don't stretch out a ton, and I would just say get your true size. And I have my 327 sneakers on to finish off my outfit. So I have a few tops and things that I would just wear with jeans. So I'm just going to keep my jeans and sneakers on and tell you about these tops. So this is the mock neck sweater by Free Assembly that has a heart on it, which is great for Valentine's Day. They have released a few Valentine's things that I think are cute, but you can still wear this throughout the year. And I love that they put the gold buttons here. I thought it was so pretty, and this mock neck is nice and loose. And this is a cotton blend sweater that is so comfy, and I like that it's a cropped length. So if you want a Valentine's sweater, this is perfect. And they did a really good job, and it's very, very well made. Free Assembly always has a grandpa cardigan. I always get it, and it always sells out really fast. And this is this year's version, which I thought was really cute. I love the navy with the white accents, and I love the pockets on the front. And I like that it's not too oversized. Sometimes they're just way too big, and this one feels perfect. And it's 100% cotton as well, and so well made. So I think this is great. So get this one too before it is gone. So I thought this sweater was very unique, and it's the cable raglan sweater by Scoop, and it has a really cool cuff on it too, and you can see the texture in it. It's just interesting, and then it has the cable knit, and it's a really nice fit. And I got it in the muted green, but it comes in a couple of other colors, and I just thought it had a really cool and different look to it. So I thought I would recommend it, and it is very well made and a great sweater weight for transitioning or wearing in the spring. This is another fun item for Valentine's Day or beyond, and it's the Free Assembly embroidered denim midi dress. And you can see the hearts on it. They're done in navy. And I really love this dress because of the paneling. I think it makes it very, very flattering. So you can see the different panels they've sewn together that just gives it a really pretty look. And this is a very lightweight denim, and there's also perfect pockets in this, but it is a little bit big. So I definitely would tell you to size down in this. And I styled it with just an ankle strap little heel that I have from Anthropologie. It's an old shoe, but I needed a heel on with this, so I definitely chose this shoe, but you could do a knee-high boot right now. And there is a denim blazer that they just dropped that's Free Assembly that I think would make a great pairing over this if you're definitely going to need a layer if it's cold outside. So I will link that for you. Say hello to the cutest jacket ever. So this is the Scoop quilted shore jacket in this beautiful floral, which is black, and it's over this ivory, and it has a corduroy collar. And one of my favorite parts about this jacket is it's a little bit higher in the front than the back. So it's got that high-low hem, and it's a really nice fit. I was very, very impressed with this one. I would I would see things like this probably for $150 at Free People. And this is so inexpensive, and it's got front pockets too. And I'll unzip it. It's got you can see the quilting on the inside, but it's really, really lightweight and perfect to transition and to wear in the spring if you have a little bit cooler weather. So this is a 10 out of 10. I love it. And I have it over the cutest little free assembly puff sleeve top. It's ribbed and pink, and I just thought it was so adorable. And I think it's like 12 bucks. So it's somewhere around there, and just a really cute little top. And I would wear something like this all the time. You can layer it or just wear it by itself. And I just put it on with the same Luna Flares by Quince and Gola sneakers just to have a cute outfit. So if you want a little bit more of a subtle quilted jacket, this is the Free Assembly floral quilted jacket, and you can see the flowers are just sewn into it, and it's really cute, because one thing you won't notice is it does have a corduroy collar, but the corduroy is also trimming the jacket everywhere, even on the cuff, and the buttons here blend really nicely. It's fully lined, and I love the kind of boxy cropped fit. So it's a lot different than that other one, and you're going to see a lot of different options in these jackets for the spring because they are trending. And this one I think is great and could live in your closet for a really long time. And it's just fun. It's a fun layer, and grab one now while you can. Wow. So I could totally live in these pieces all day long. They're so soft and cozy. And this is another amazing sweater by Free Assembly, and it's the cotton hoodie sweater. So it is 100% cotton and nice and soft and a really good fit. And I love the hood on the back. Anything that has a hood screams Jamie. And so this is fun, and it comes in other colors, but I thought the blue was beautiful. And I put it with these little just pull-on sweatpants by Free Assembly that have the stripe down the side, but they have this cute little kind of ruffly waistband, and then perfect pockets and a nice easy leg that has that cute little blue stripe. So I thought these were fun. It's similar to a track pant. It's just not as obnoxious on the stripe, but I do love the different accents and things that they're putting on these, and they're really nice and soft. They're a little bit heavier weight than the last striped pants, the last track pants I had on, not as wide, and feel more like a sweatpant. So these are pretty amazing. And I just put on my trainer sneakers because that is what I would wear with my outfit. Free Assembly always does the cutest little sweater sets, and I loved this little top and skirt combo in this plaid. So this is the Free Assembly collared top, which I love this cute little collar. It also has scalloping on the edges here, and the scalloping is done here as well. So how precious is that? I mean, they just put so much detail into these items, more so than a lot of other retailers. That's why I get so impressed with them. And the fit is really nice, and it's super soft and lays very well, and it has this great puff sleeve on it too. And then the skirt is just an easy pull-on sweater skirt with this pleating, and the pleating is going to stay together because how they've trimmed it out, which I think is amazing, because sometimes their pleats will come out, and I think they're figuring out how to get them to stay, and I think this is adorable. You can wear these together and they look really good, or separate the pieces and put other things with them. So I love this set, and it also comes in red if you prefer red. And I just put on the Free Assembly little block-heeled Mary Janes that they had in the fall. I think these are still available and they can be worn in the spring, but I just did a black shoe even though I'm wearing navy and white, because I tried a lighter shoe and it didn't look that good. And I don't have any navy. If you have a navy, that'll be great, but a black works just fine. So this one had me at sweatshirt dress. Who does not love a good sweatshirt dress? And I thought the wash on this was really amazing. It has that kind of acid wash look. And then it's got a deep V, but it's not too deep. And then it has a cute little puff sleeve that you can pull above your elbow if you want to, but I kind of liked it down a little bit. And then the little ruffle skirt on it. I just thought this was such a fun little dress. And it is a sweatshirt material. It's like a fleecy sweatshirt. Oh, and there are perfect pockets in this guy. So this comes in 2 colors. I got it in both because I love sweatshirts and I would live in this. So I got it in the gray. You can see the two. They're both really cute. And this is just so fun to wear. And I actually put it with my favorite little retro sneakers that were a bestseller on my channel for the fall season. But they're probably going to come out with more colors, I would say, in the spring. But this is amazing. It's still available. And it's by No Boundaries and so comfy. And y'all, these retro sneakers are still going to be a very, very big trend. And so some of the colors in this are on sale too, so take a look at them and see if you can find one that you like. And I also love this little No Boundaries tote bag, and I have shown you this in another color, but I got it in the ivory because I thought it was really pretty for just the springtime. And this is going to be easy to clean because it's nylon, has a great interior to it, lots of pockets, and just a really good bag. And this is a nice looking bag that looks like a designer bag that you might be familiar with, but I love this, and they did a really good job on it as well. Okay, so they just keep getting better and better at their scuba knit. So Scoop is the brand that has the scuba knit, and this is their little zipper neck top in this beautiful blue. And you could throw this on with a pair of black pants and just look phenomenal, like a dressed up black pant, not joggers like I have on. And it's a nice loose fit and that really soft scuba material. So I had to show you all this, and I think there's a pair of pants that they're going to put out in the same color. They just were not available yet. So when they become available, I'll let you know, because I love these as sets, but I do think that they have done such a good job with their styles that you can wear these with jeans or pants and dress them up a bit. But I do have them on with the joggers, which I think they still have available. I have the black joggers, which are just easy. It's the same scuba knit and really comfortable, and I like that it's loose through the leg and then tapers down, so it's not too tight, and it just feels good. So I thought this was a fun outfit. I would wear these two pieces together, but I'm really looking forward to getting the pants in the same color. And then I just put on my black sneakers to finish off the outfit. So you know springtime is coming when you start seeing gingham, and I thought this little set by Free Assembly was so good. And this is the bubble jacket with a collar, and I thought this was a really nice little bubble jacket because it doesn't look so bubble, and you can kind of control how much it's cinched. It's also lined, and it's a really nice material. It feels like a cotton twill almost, and it's a very nice weight for the springtime. And I thought it was a great pairing with the skirt. But first, let's talk about this little top, because I wanted to put this little heart top underneath it in case you wanted a really cute look for Valentine's Day. And this is part of their Cozy Yarn Shrunken Tee collection, I guess, because there's so many of these. And this one is actually a cotton blend as opposed to the viscose blend that a lot of those are. So it has a little bit of a different feel, and it's a little bit thicker. And I thought it was so cute in this little heart print. And it also comes in a red heart print if you want to take a look at that, and all kinds of solid colors in this shrunken sweater tee, which goes great underneath things, or you can wear them by themselves. And I'll pull it out so you can see the length of it, which I think is also really good. And the hearts are fun. And so the skirt is a faux wrap skirt by Free Assembly in that same gingham material. You can see it wraps really well around, and I like how it's kind of asymmetrical there and has the pocket, and then you have this little cinch, so it actually looks like a real wrap skirt. And it's not too short. It comes, just a little above my knee, and it's a perfect fit. A lot of times their bottoms are huge on me, so this is true to size for sure. And I just thought it was such a cute set, and you could split these pieces up too and do a lot with them. And then I just styled it with these shoes from last year. These are the Scoop Mesh Mary Janes, which I hope they come back with a cute little Mary Jane this year. And I don't think these are still available, but it's the shoe I had that I thought would be a cute option for the springtime. So now for another fun heart option. So this is the denim button-up shirt by Free Assembly that has the embroidered hearts in navy on it. And I always love their denim shirts because they just fit really nice. And I think this one is something that you could wear all the time. And it's just something that's on trend with the embroidery. And who doesn't love hearts all the time, right? But you could also get it for Valentine's Day to be really cute. And I've just tucked it in, and I'll pull it out so you can see how long it is, because it's not too long and it tucks in super easy. You could even wear it out because it has that nice rounded high-low hem. So I thought this was a fun option for springtime or layering right now, and just have some fun with it. And I did put it on with some pull-on elastic waist jeans that are some of my favorites because they're really comfy. And if you just want something more flat front, these are great. And these are a 30-inch inseam, and it is a nice, easy flare leg. I think it's called the Nina from Quince. And these are like $40, which is a really good good price for a pair of jeans. They're nice and stretchy and easy to wear. And I thought a darker jean was a really good option with the lighter denim because you have the navy and the embroidery. So it's a perfect look together if you want to do denim on denim. And then I just added the burgundy boots from Quince that I had on earlier too, because I just like adding a little bit of color and I thought they were fun. So I hope you loved all of those pieces as much as I do. And thank you so much for watching. Have a happy new year, and I will talk to you next year.